Once upon a time in the vast and dense jungle, a mighty lion ruled over his kingdom with strength and grace. His name was Simba, and he was known far and roar. Simba had grown up learning the ways of the jungle from his wise and brave father, who had once been the ruler before him. He was taught to respect the balance of nature to protect his pride at all costs. Under his rule, the animals of the jungle lived in harmony and peace. One day, as Simba was patrolling the outskirts of his territory, he stumbled upon a lost and frightened cub named. The young was from his family during a fierce storm and was struggling to survive on his own. Simba's heart went out to the little cub, and he decided to take him under his. As Kaylee grew, Sim became not only a mentor, but also his closest friend. They explored the jungle together, sharing adventures and learning valuable life lessons along the way. Simba taught Kaylee how to hunt, how to navigate through the wilderness, and most importantly, how to lead in wisdom. Under Simba's guidance, Kaylee blossomed into a strong and fearless lion. He proved his worth to the pride by defending them from threats and ensuring their safety. The animals admired his courage and respected his leadership. One day, a severe struck the jungle. Simba and Kaylee faced one of their greatest challenges yet. The water sources were drying up, and the entire ecosystem was at risk. Simba called upon animals and possible solutions. With unity and determination, the animals worked side by side, digging intricate tunnels to redirect what little water remained into a central reservoir. It was a difficult task, but they persevered, knowing that their survival depended on. Weeks passed, and finally their pade filled up, and the jungle once again thrived with life. Simba and Kay stood before the animals, their bee with pride. They had proven that when faced with adversity, unity and perseverance could lead to remarkable achievements. As time went on, Simba grew, and it was time for Kaylee to step into his father's paw prints and become new ruler of the jungle. With the knowledge and wisdom passed down by Simba, Kaylee led the pride with great determination and fairness. Under Kaylee's rule, the jungle continued to flourish. Simba watched from a distance, filled with joy and contentment. He knew that he had played a crucial role in shaping not only Kaylee, but also the future of their beloved home and the lion's legacy.